Alright, what's up, y'all? In today's video, we are going to be playing this game called MonkeBot. Right? Yeah, MonkeBot. I'm on an alt account because I'm at my dad's and I can't log in on my main anymore. But I'm going to try to figure out a way that I can get outside the map because I really want to. I love doing this to games. Figuring out ways to escape the map is my favorite thing to do. Did somebody just join? I think someone just joined. Hello? No. Online players, just me. Codes. Comp minigames. Oh, competitive and minigames. Beta testers. Beta testers, important people. I'm gonna have a room like this in my game. Mod only. I'm going to figure out a way to get into here. I'm getting mod too, hopefully. I did a whole thing so I can get it. I signed up for the application and everything. So hopefully I can get mod. But I might not, which is fine. Gun. Water gun holdable for 500. 5-star rating display? I need to make a 5-star rating display then. Discord server. I'm in the Discord server. I'm in the Discord server, and I'm pretty sure I boosted it already. Oh well, it's alright. How many? 100 bananas. How do you get bananas in this game? Is it like a daily thing, or? It's been a while since I played. I played not too long ago, but I'm on a new account, and I forgot how to get bananas. I've played before. This room has no purpose yet. Okay. Yeah, I've played this game once or twice. Not that long ago, and then I kept playing, so I've played it a few times. Just, it's a little glitchy still. It's doing better than it was last time I played, though. I know I can get out of this. I just don't know how. I'm going to escape the map. You can't stop me. I don't remember how I link it, but I'm gonna try to get this so other people can see it. Gallery? On. Okay, I'll make some fan art. I'll make some fan art later. What's this room's purpose? I know there's a way to get into here. I just don't know how. Wait, there's a crack in the floor. There's a hole in the floor. I see that. Oh. I'm gonna get back there. I will figure out a way. I need to get in that model in the room. I want to see what's in there. I will glitch my way in. MonkeBot Worlds. Crack? Crack. There's crack. There's a crack, I should say. There's gotta be a way to glitch out. I just don't know how. What's through here? Oh, it's the main map. What are these bees? Okay. I like this area. This area is my favorite. Yeah. I love the water. They should add like a whole underwater map. Yeah. I'm in the fire pit. Or the well, or whatever this is meant to be. My trees are going... My game's gonna be good. I'm not gonna talk much about my game in this video, because this is not my... this is about someone else's game, not mine. I want to try to escape the map. That would be sick. What's through here? I have not seen this yet. This is new. I think this is new. Maybe this is old and I just don't remember it. Music? Wow. Oh, this is the main map. This isn't new. I don't remember this. What's the rear? I actually kind of like this music. This is kind of fire. Huh. I haven't seen this area. I didn't know this existed. I only stayed in the main map. Oh, I can't. It's really difficult to wall climb in this game. What's up there? Is there anything up there? Any tang? I don't think there's any tang up there. This music's fire. What the heck? They definitely improved with the movement. Last time I played, the movement was all glitchy. I need to get a friend on. Except I don't have any friends on this account. Oh gosh. They should have a tag game mode to this. I would be juking everybody right now. Oh, ooh, ooh, boing. I wonder if they have a tag game mode. Okay, this music's a little loud. Oh, it restarted. The music's a little bit loud. I like the music though, the game's better with it. I gotta figure out a way to get out of the map. I know there's a way. Okay, I don't like it with dark mode, it's a little too dark. Beach. I haven't been here yet. I'll check that out later. Parkour. Let's see what's in the parkour. What happens if I had to fall? Oh my gosh, I thought I was about to fall into the void. Okay. Alright, let's complete this. Can I go on walls or are they slippery? Okay, I can use the walls. No, okay, I might not be able to make that jump. That's a really big gap. Yeah. Oh, never mind. I don't even have to do the parkour. Oh my gosh, the gap is a lot bigger. Never mind, I have to do the parkour unless I just... Hold on, y'all. I'm going to complete this like a cheating way, and then I'm going to do it the actual way. So I can just like... I haven't seen this map yet. I haven't been here. I think I have to do it the actual way. Okay. Let's do it the actual way. I don't think I can complete it the other... Whoa, the box physics are a little messed up. Kind of like the Amazing Digital Circus. I don't even have to do that. I can just skip up there if I wanted to, see? Hey-ya. 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 I've never checked out this map. I've played for like a month. Maybe a little less. Probably a little less. Why did I do that when I could just jump straight to here? Whoa! Yo, somebody joined! Yo! Wait, is there somebody here? Hello? 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 Yo! Yo, you got a mic? Forest update. Nice. This map's cool. Have you played? How long have you played? Did you start in Forest update? I've played for less than a month. I'm signing up for moderator on my actual main. Where'd you go? Oh, this way probably. I haven't seen any actual players online yet. What are you doing? Oh, are you stuck? He's stuck under the map. Oh, he got out. Do you have mod? Do you have mod? Do you have mod? Oh my gosh, you have mod. That's sick. Yo, I'm recording a video. I'm going to post it on YouTube. I'm trying to get mod. I signed up for moderator. Do you know any way I can get in here? I want to glitch in so bad. I want to see what you're doing. I can't see into there. Oh, hello. How'd you get into mod? Are you a moderator? Why are you green? You're green lava. What the heck? Oh. I'm on a new account. Because I can't play on my main right now. I'm signing up for mod on my main. Do you know any ways? Oh, wait. I'm glitching outside the map. Oh, wait, everything disappeared. I need to get out. I'm stuck. Help. Okay. Let's try. Now, let's do my head through on this side. So then everything in there deloads. Will everything deload? Oh. So if I'm right there, everything deloads. I gotta figure out a way to just glitch in. I need to glitch into moderator for this video. What is it? Why is that flashlight so bright? I'm on fire! Help! What are you doing to me? Milk? What is that? Oh, he has the gun. I need to get that flashlight. I want to get the flashlight. Store. I need to get the flashlight. Where's the flashlight at? Flashlight? I don't want you. I want the flashlight. How do I get the flashlight? Can you not get the flashlight anymore? Body cosmetics? There are no body cosmetics. Huh. What is that? Wait, what's in your hand? Can you show me that? Oh, I need to get that. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm becoming a moderator. I'm trying to become a moderator. I signed up. I don't know how it works though. I've done the sign up already. I just want to get it now. I gotta get moderator. That's my goal. To get moderator. How do I make the game think I'm still in this map? Even though I'm not. That's what I need to do. Because then, if I do it right, I can glitch outside the map. What? Where are you? Bro? Where did you go? There is a tag mode. So the game thinks I'm... And you know walk like really far back in my boundary. I can't glitch out. I don't know if I can. Come on, song 1. Yo, do you know any glitches? Wait, you're the owner? It's the owner. Oh, you're in a YouTube video. Why is it so dark? Do I have dark on? I think I have dark on. How do I turn that off? Settings. Dark mode. Off. Why is it still dark? Wait, bro, Ren. If you break, if you were to report someone, since you're a moderator and the owner, if you were to report someone, would they get banned? Wow. Do you have like a ban hammer, or is it just a kick hammer? No ban hammer, just kick hammer? Okay. Ugh. Do you know any ways I can glitch outside the map? How? What? What the? Oh, that's why I want moderator. I really hope I get it. I signed up. I'm going to be trying to help in the community. There's not many people on, as there was last time I played. I'm making a game kind of like this. Where'd you go? Where are you? Okay, well, I'm gonna get outside the map now. I'm gonna figure it out. There's gotta be a way. There's no way there is no way to get outside of the map. Maybe if I glitch inside of here. Ugh. There's got to be a way. There's no way the people who made this game patch every single glitch already. There's gotta be a way outside the map. I think Ren got off. I don't think that dude's on anymore because I'm not Lava Monkey. No, he's still here. Where is he? Let's see if there's any. I'm gonna go complete the parkour map. Oh, come on. Wait, my hands got up there. Oh, I can just kind of sit down here. Oh, wait! I'm gonna walk back in my boundary and then die. Walk, touch. Oh, okay. So I have officially figured out how to get outside of the map. Now I'm gonna work my way back and get inside that mod room. No way, that worked. Oh. Into the mod room I go. I really don't like the fact that I could get banned from this. No! I got shoved outside. I was so close. I need to leave this lobby because I think the admin or the game creator is gonna ban me if I do anything. So I'm gonna go into a private room. room. Just gonna go to my fan code. Oop, wrong button. Enter. Alright, I'm in my fan code. I figured out how to glitch outside the map. This is sick. Just stick my arms up, walk back a little, and hobble my way until I die. Hello? Parkour? Oh gosh, am I stuck? Gosh? I think I'm stuck. Help. Help, I'm stuck in the void. I have been trapped. Okay. Looks like we're gonna have to quit and rejoin. I have officially figured out how to break out of the game. 8%. That's not good. Oh, everything's so much brighter now. Room. H2. Enter. And I have connected. And I'm gonna go this way into parkour. Does the parkour not kill you anymore? Oh yeah, it does. Okay. Hold on, how did I do it last time? How was I doing it? How did I manage to do it in the public? I don't remember. I'm gonna go back into a public and try it. I can't do it in this card. I don't know why. I managed to do it earlier. I should be able to do it again. It spawns me in the middle. So I have to like jump in the middle, but then like walk and tip tap my way. Oh gosh, I'm stuck. Help! Why can't I get out of this? Help me! I'm frozen. I can't get out. Why is my battery at 6%? Back into MonkeBot. Not in room. Wait, while I'm not connected. Oh, I am connected now. Okay, wait. So, headset battery is very low. Alright, y'all, subscribe, and I will make more videos on this game later. Goodbye.